Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A36, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So let's get started by opening up our contacts application. If I can actually find it, should be somewhere there. Oh, there we go. There it is. So once you find it, you can just click on it. We don't need notifications from our contacts list, let's be honest. There is no reason why an application that is designed to store contacts would be sending us notifications. Anyway, in here we're going to navigate to Organize and scroll all the way down to Manage SIM. This will in turn show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. Now for me they are all grayed out, and there is a reason for that. That reason being, by default, the Google, being creepy shits, is trying to literally just circumvent asking for permission to basically gobble up other people's information without those people's consent. So automatically Google Contacts will prioritize itself as an importing location right here. But Google is coming out that it doesn't want these contacts twice, it already has them. So go screw yourself, you're not going to be importing them the second time, no matter how much you like it or would want to. So anyway, I'm going to select the device, which is what I would recommend in any case, as the only reason why you would ever import or share data with Google is when they start paying you for it. Otherwise, they can go F themselves. That's just my approach. So I like to have everything stored locally, so Google doesn't have access to it. I mean, it's not their data, and shit, it's not even my data in reality. If these are some SOS contacts, usually by selecting import, you get the options to, well, number one, let's just quickly maybe deselect contacts that you might not want. Click on import, and when you import your contacts, I'm going to go back to our contacts list and, for instance, select our location. So here we go, device. When you import these, you have much more options that you can add to it. So you can, by editing, you can select the device, that's where I imported it to. We can add first, last name, company, phone number, email address, date of birth, address, labels, notes. Now there's a lot of sharing information right here for Google to gobble up. That's why I don't recommend importing this to Google. This is way too much information for some creepy ass company to have, which you don't know what the hell they're doing with it. And that's number one. Number two, it's not even your information, it's whoever's contact this is that might not want some giga corporation to have their data train their AI, so AI knows exactly everything about them, including date of birth, phone numbers, and where they live. So yeah, import it to the phone is what I would say. It works as well. Just removes the cloud connection between the devices. So as an example, if you have the same Google account signed in on something like a TV, those contacts would appear there as well. But who the hell wants to have contacts on their TV, let's be honest. And I'm not rich enough to run with two different phones in my pockets. And also, if I was, I probably wouldn't want to have those two phones have the same contacts and same email address, let's be honest. So this is kind of not really a problem, and not really a feature that I think a lot of people really utilize. Have your contacts in one place, and that's really where you need them. And if you want to import them to other devices, you can always create I believe it's a VCF file, which is like a file for just contacts list, and you can move that file to another device and just import it like that. So that's a way around basically cloud storage and just the creepiness of Google. Anyway, with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.